Normally, Rox-Filer looks like this in any a PuppyLinux distribution. You have this title bar and you have icons. But I prefer that I find myself much quicker to get around and so on rather than using the mouse. That I just mainly use the keyboard. For example, I have Rox-Filer here without a title bar and without the icons, and I can quickly go ahead and open it up maximum or go back to the size and make it go to the right or left, for example, and then go ahead and then hide it, and then bring it back, all without much trouble and much quicker. And that's what I want to cover today, is how to simulate a borderless Rox-Filer. But today, because of the length of the video, I'll probably will not get into the editing of the JWM personnel file to go ahead and put it on the right, left, maximum, and so on, but simply just eliminate the icons. First thing you can do is to eliminate the icons is right click on the rocks and then get into the view, and we'll just go ahead and close this for now, and let me do that again. We'll just go ahead and get into the menu of the Rox-Filer, and you can go to the tools and mini buffer, and then here it would default is icon only, so you can see the icon actually here, and let me just move it over a little bit. So but you can go ahead and simulate no border bar. Well, first thing you have to do is just no toolbar. Okay, so then you're going to get something like this, but not quite. So then next thing you need to do is modify the file. So the file we need to modify is JWM rc personnel file, which is within the root and .jwm folder. So the thing that you want to do is Rox-Filer here into the group setting near the beginning of the personnel file, is that you want to make sure that there is this part, remove Rox buttons. So, and then on group Rox-Filer, make sure the Rox is capital and the first letter is capital, Filer, and no title, and then group. Then you go ahead and save it, and then go ahead and give it a JWM restart to have this activated. Then you will end up with a appearance of Rox-Filer that looks like this. This is the scroll bar and so on. Now the thing that you may worry about is obviously how to move the file, the Rox-Filer, and you can use the key of the Alt and then left click mouse and drag, so you can move it around. And I've already shown you how to that it is possible to go ahead and maximize and so on with a modification of a personnel file in more detail if there is a demand for that separate video. I hope this is helpful.